Oh, hey, hi, Tom Salemi here from DeviceTalks. Those of you who listen to our DeviceTalks podcast or watch our DeviceTalks Tuesdays virtual meetings know that I don't really talk much about being from Boston. I like to keep my hometown roots kind of on the down low, but I'm extremely proud to be talking about DeviceTalks Boston, which is the first DeviceTalks meeting that I've had a hand in organizing, and I'm so thrilled that it's in my hometown. I'll put that over there. It's going to be a great day. We have over 70 speakers coming from most of the major medtechs. We'll have Ambu, Abbott, Boston Scientific, Corindus, DePuy Synthes, Insulet, Stryker, Medtronic, Vapotherm. We're going to have folks from across the country. Medtech innovators coming from California. MDMA is coming from Washington, D.C. We're going to have an exhibit floor filled with great suppliers, vendors, and those who support the medtech industry and the large OEMs. We're going to be partnering up with our great colleagues at the Robotics Summit and the Healthcare Robotics Engineering Forum. It's going to be a huge day for devices, for technology, for robotics, for surgical robotics. We got it all covered. So what you need to do is you need to go to DeviceTalks.com to register for DeviceTalks Boston. Once again, it's happening at the BCEC on May 10th and 11th. How do you like them apples? Join us at DeviceTalks Boston on May 10th and 11th at the BCEC. Again, go to DeviceTalks.com. I really hope to see you there.